Welcome back, it's PG again. Today we're going to be testing this inductive torch. Picked it up on Amazon. I'm going to be unboxing it and testing it against other similar kind of form of heating up an element. Ball, the nut, a MAP gas torch, and a propane torch. So see how that's going to do. We're going to run it for 3 minutes. See which one's going to get the bolt red hot. It's PG again. Today we're going to be looking at some shop equipment. This is induction heater from Amazon. Already opened the box. I didn't take stuff out yet. On the picture looked the same as the unit that we have in the shop, so I want to try this one out, see if it works as well as the more expensive units. So let's go ahead, open it up. What do we have in the box? Okay, so in the box we have certification. You guys can see it's a warranty. Okay, then we have the unit itself. And then we have different size coils, from smaller, small to big. The knobs that mount on the side of the unit to hold the coils. So that's what's in the package. So far looks pretty decent packaging. The coils don't look any different than the coils that come in with the more expensive units. And there she is. There it is. This is the unit. So, made in China, input 110, 10 amps. So you have your model. You guys can read flameless heat system for professional use only. Well, you know, for this much, 180 is actually a useful thing to have at the house. Any rusty bolts on the car, on the bike, you can actually heat that up. So let me show you guys how to mount this thing, how to put it together. Let's take this packaging out of here. And then gonna open those. So we're gonna put them right in here on the side. Just like that. And we gonna put tying those all the way, so nice and tight. Now you put the bolt or nut inside here, around, then the nut or a ball, whatever the component you're heating up, over a certain period of time. We're gonna test how long it's gonna take to heat up to red hot. We have some rusty bolts that I removed from the vehicle. We have some metal so we can see. So basically this is ready to use. You have different size coils. Okay, let's see if it works. MAP gas, 3 minutes. 45 seconds. Minute 15. Minute 45. To 10. To 20. To 45. Three minutes. And is it red hot? It is not. Okay, so we're gonna do a 3 minutes with a propane torch. Alright, let's do it. Five seconds in. Minute 36. Minute 45. So we have passed halfway into 3 minutes. And 30. $2.45. $55. Alright, so we got 3 minutes. So you guys can see, let me shut that off. But the bolt is not red hot. Gonna use the inductive heater now, see how it works. I have a timer that we're gonna use. Okay, let's see. Oh, we have some smoke. Let's see, it's the heating element actually smoking. The ball is getting red hot, guys. Yes. So a little bit longer. We're like minute 47 right now. Two minutes 10. Two and a half minutes right now. To 50. Gonna stop. 3 minutes. Okay. Guys, see, the ball is red hot. Of course, if you get a stronger one, it's gonna heat up faster, and it's gonna be hotter. So now we use 3 different methods: MAP, oxygen gas, propane, and of course the inductive torch, inductive heater, however you want to call it. I used to call it inductive torch. This thing actually got the bolt red hot. That's what we want. So I'll recommend this tool. It's fairly cheap. I don't know how long it's gonna last, but definitely it's gonna do its job. Buying other type of a setup, maybe more expensive, is gonna get the bolt hotter, but this for home use use on the vehicle should be sufficient enough, at least for me. It was in my career and still to this day using it. So we are done with our testing. So hit that subscribe button, like the video, follow us, visit us at Subi Clinic in Carroll Stream, Illinois. If you want your Subaru to be worked on, and if you want us to be using this on your car, we can. Okay, peace.